The best way to prepare potatoes. Easy and very tasty. Start by cutting 3 potatoes into medium-sized pieces. Transfer them to a bowl. Add water until they are covered. After that, place the potatoes on a paper towel to drain and dry. Once dry, return the potatoes to the bowl. Now, add 2 eggs. Adjust the salt. Add black pepper to taste. Oregano, garlic powder, and mix. Finish with paprika to taste. 65 grams of wheat flour and mix. In a skillet with hot oil over medium heat, fry the potatoes. And here it is. Our sensational fried potatoes with eggs are ready to be enjoyed. Did you like this recipe? Then like and follow our page to get more tips like this. Enjoy your meal and see you next time.